All right, how you doing? Welcome to today's training video. And today's training video, we're going to talk about setting up your personal profile. If any of you have been following for any length of time, you know that we center our business around social media, organic marketing, and namely Facebook. We use the Facebook profiles as a conduit for traffic. One of our many uses or channels of traffic driving sources is our profile. So today's video is going to be how to optimize your profile for business. Many of you may be asking, well, I got a personal profile, but I really don't want to use that. Can I start another profile? Well, yeah, you can start another profile. However, if you do that, Facebook does put a lot of restrictions on second profiles and stuff like that. So my recommendation is to use your personal profile. Now, again, today's video is how to optimize that profile for business, how to clean it up and start driving traffic from your profile to your website, your group, whatever you use as a central location for your potential customers. Um, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started here. I'll share my screen. There we go. I think everybody can see that. And this is my personal profile. The first thing you'll notice is the banner. You want your banner professional yet simple. Keep it as simple as possible. And by all means, do not put huge claims on there. If you're not making 5, 10,000, 20,000 a month, don't put it on here that you do or that you can help people get there. Just keep it clean and simple. Secondly, you want a professional picture of yourself up here because you want people to get to know you, associate with you, and be drawn in by you and trust you. So again, we put the professional picture up there. So back to this. So a professional picture. And if you want to put in a little blurb here to people to join your Facebook group, then you can definitely do that and point it down to the link. As you see down here, I got my link in here, and we'll get to that in just a few minutes. Um, so the banner, it can be made in Canva very easily. If you want a link to Canva, I do have another resource in the resources section of my group where you can go through everything that I use in my business, and there are links there to that. Um, so that's enough on the banner here. Next, you want to come down to your profile picture. Again, you want it as professional as you can. I like the friendly approach to it. You just want to make sure you don't have something offensive in there because, again, remember, this is a business conduit for you. Now we scroll down to the intro. In this intro is where you can put your links and a small blurb about the business. And now that can be edited when you come up here to the edit button. Again, we're having, there we go. Come to the edit button. You can edit your profile picture. You edit your cover photo. If you have an avatar, you do that here. And then you come to your bio. This is your intro right here. You can click the edit and you can edit your intro right here. You do have a character limitation on it, so be careful on the words that you use. You also can customize your intro right here. And again, keep it as simple as possible. You want to keep it a lot of people when they come in here, a lot of people put in all their work stuff. And as you can see, my old profile, I had all my work history from when I was in the military all the way up to what I'm doing today. I went and cleaned all that up. Education wise, again, I cleaned all that up, got it out of there. I put in that I live where I live and where my hometown is simply because I like when people are looking for me, they can go and relate to, oh, he's from there. Maybe I have something in relation with him, or I can, connect with that person. So that's where you do this. Okay. Let's see, close this out. Again, that's in the edit function. And you can, again, keep it clean, keep it only to necessary stuff. All right, now from here, we're going to get into your settings. Settings will be on your profile page. Okay, so now we're on what you see when you come into your profile page, and you want to come over to your account and go to settings and privacy. Go to settings. And from here, if you wanted to change your username, this is where you would do it right here. You change your username right there. Not very good at this whole circling with my mouse stuff, so you'll have to forgive me on that one. But we're going to go down here to privacy. Now on privacy, down here in your activity, this is where you're going to set everything to public. Remember, this is a business conduit that you're using to drive traffic for you. So you want everything set to public. Who can see all your posts? Public. I have a professional dashboard, so mine might look a little different than yours. And when you say you review all your posts and things you're tagged in, you're going to want that active, because anything that other people might tag you in or try to post on, you want to be able to review that. Okay. Drop down here to who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow. You want that to be set to only you. Who can send you friend requests? That's everyone. Who can see your friends list? Who can see your friends list? Only me. You want that set to only me, because you don't want, as you grow your friends list and grow your business, you don't want others coming in and being able to see your friends and poach your friends and potential customers. Who can look up using your email address? I have it set as friends. I don't care if my friends can look me up by my email address. My phone number is only me. I don't want just anybody being able to call me. You know what I mean? Do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? You definitely want this set as yes. You want this set as yes, because again, you're using this to drive traffic. You want as many people who see your information on different platforms to be able to find you. If they say, hey, I want to look it up, you want to look up Dean Fordham, you look it up, and my Facebook profile will come in because of the search engines. All right. Now we go down to how to get message requests. You want this all set to my friends of friends on Facebook. They'll go to my chats instead of my messages. I pay more attention to my chats when they come in than message requests. Message requests sometimes gets a little hidden. Accounts that I've chatted with and my followers on Instagram, when they try to message me, they come in on chats. Now I have chats because I also have a professional Instagram page. So this controls both my profile here and my Instagram page. All right, now we come down to others on Facebook. They're going to go to message requests, and others on Instagram as well. We'll go to my my message request. A little tongue tie here. Now we're going to come over to profile and tagging. Your profile. This is very important here. Profile. Who can post on your profile? Only you. You want it set to only you. You don't want just anybody being able to come in and make posts. So I have this set up as that, but then who can see what others post on profile is only me as well. And then when you come down here to tagging, who can see posts you're tagged in? Everyone's going to see that. But then the next object here is when you're tagged in a post, who do you want to add as an audience of your post that they can already see it? Only my friends are going to see posts that have already been on here. And this is where I was just discussing the review posts that you're tagged in before it appears on your profile. So when somebody tags you in it, you're going to get a notification. Hey, they just tagged you in this. Do you want to review it? Do you want to post it? And you're going to say yes or no. So that's where that works. Now we're going to come into stories. No, public post. I'm sorry. Public post. Who can follow me? You want this set as public. Again, because I have a professional dashboard, mine is set up as a professional, and so it automatically sets it to public for me. Public post comments. Choose who is allowed to comment on your public post. You want the public, because if people are seeing your post, you want them to interact. You want to drive up that algorithm. Public post notifications. Who gets notifications when people who aren't your friends start following you and share? You want the public to see that as well. And then public profile information. You want all your information to be seen by the public. So there we go. Off Facebook previews. You want this turned on. You want this enabled for all public group posts that are shared off of Facebook. So if it's on Instagram or any other platform, you want them to be able to see that. All right, now we come back to, again, you want this turned on because you want to preview anything that is posted about you on other platforms as well. And then I have my comment ranking shut off. Stories. You want your stories to be seen by the public. So you want to allow the sharing of your public stories on their own stories. And that is it for setting up your profile. I hope this was helpful. I know I stuttered a lot and but it is what it is. And if you had any questions, please feel free to comment or send me a DM. I'll be happy to help you out. Look forward to the next training video, and we'll talk to you later.